spiritually wealthy. I don't know if you guys can see me. We're out here at the beach today, and we got our chai tea smoothies. Ooh. And we're enjoying the weather, right? He didn't want ice cream.
They're like slushies, but like you like crunch it up a little bit. So it's a smoothie.
We had these before. I think I made a video last time of it, but the girl forgot the chai seeds. She didn't tell me that before she bought the chai seeds. So we got a mango and orange and it's mango, pineapple.
It's like all type of stuff.
Orange, peach. With chai seeds. Yeah. That's what it is. It's so good though, you guys. I just wanted to, we came out here to enjoy the beautiful view.
Yeah.
As you see.
Yeah, look. Show them the umbrella.
We're sitting under the umbrella here with the chair.
Last time we came here,
and
we didn't want to really sit down here.
No.
We went home. And then but now we're just gonna sit down and
drink some of this.
Yeah, we're gonna drink it.
It's
and plus it's full.
Yeah, his is full. You know, he took the full one, of course, but he'll be filled up with what? Fruity stuff.
Yeah, because I love fruit.
Yeah, he'll be filled up with healthy stuff.
And I'll be stronger
today, even though there is a clam and fish shop sitting all the way right there. Smells so good.
It's called a clam box.
Yeah, the clam shop box.
No,
right?
It's the clam box.
Right, no, we don't want that one. We want Tony's. But that's sitting right there, and it smells so good. But it's so hot, right? That this is gonna fill it. This is gonna help nourish us and fill us up and stuff like that. So we gonna be cooling. We are gonna be cooling, right?
But because shakes without fruit in them, they're still kind of healthy.
Well, yeah, because they got vegetables in them. You can have a salad smoothie.
Oh yeah, those are good.
I don't know. You don't really like the little leaf ones, but green leaves is always good though. Green leaves are always good. And this will probably keep me full for a little bit.
What about the red leaves?
Huh?
What about the red leaves?
What red leaves?
You said green leaves, so there has to be a red leaf.
I don't know. There's red onion, there's red cabbage and stuff like that.
Cabbage? How can cabbage?
Purple cabbage. Guys, I'm cleaning my kids. Ooh, it went in his mouth.
It went on my teeth
Yeah, he's eating boogies. Yeah, so, and they got some nice houses over this way too, guys.
Yeah, over there.
I'm sitting in somebody's, at the store. This is somebody's backyard back there, and then it's just so nice out here, guys.
Yeah, because if they want to come up here and get one of these fish, they just walk right up the stairs.
Yeah, it's called Cafe Mare in Boston.
In Boston.
Boston, Mass. Ooh, yeah, but this sun is burning my body. I am halfway under the umbrella.
You're halfway. I'm guys, all the way if I sit up.
We're gonna go take a stroll. You ready to walk? Because we're going to Thing's house, remember? Wace's house.
Wace's?
Yeah.
Right now? Okay.
You see the other kids there and play with them. But you gotta be nice. My son Bryson don't know how to play with other kids. I showed y'all in the prior video. He gets around other kids and he got that only child syndrome, even though he's not the only child. He got a 15-year-old brother, so it is like he's the only child. He just gotta learn how to play with these kids. I guess he liked the little girl. He tried to beat her up. That's normal. But the little boy, I don't know. Bryson just be like, boom, boom, up, like, yo, tone it down, you know. But it's hot out here. I got real frustrated real quick. So we are leaving. Right? We're leaving. Tell them we're leaving.
We're leaving, guys. But this is kind of bridge.
Oh yeah, look. So you guys, that's him right
Wait.
there.
Wait, I'm gonna get this thing. I stepped on it. You ready to see it? Ew, that is disgusting. I just killed a bug.
I want to turn this camera around. How do we do that, share fam? Did I say that?
That's a type of bug.
All right, well, I can't turn the video around, so we're going to go like this. But this is a nice little spot out here.
Wait, you can turn it around? Let me see.
I don't know how to turn it around. Here. Bryson's trying to turn the camera around.
You like the switch around button.
Well, guys, doesn't matter. Me and him.
Mommy, I got a challenge.
What is that challenge?
Hold. We're gonna see who can.
No, we're crossing the street, Bryson. Come on. Hold my arm. You want to play while we crossing a 4-lane road. Look at the road,
Mommy,
guys.
see those 2 benches over there? Let's go sit on them.
You see those 2 benches over there, guys? It has no rooftop. I will not be sitting on 2 benches with no rooftop. No. We will look at the beach and then, thank you, and then we will see the beach.
Alright,
We
let's
will,
go.
that is the beach with rocks on it.
One time I fell over here and then I got a little cut.
I don't know about that. I don't know. Nobody told you to be on the beach, but people are on the beach. It's a nice
Mommy,
day.
let's sit down.
And we're sitting back down again. Oh, he almost dropped my drink.
And it did.
Okay, guys, so this is our beautiful day. We're here just drinking our
Alright, Mommy.
Virgin Mai Tais. Whatever.
The challenge is we're gonna see who has less of a smoothie in the cup. Alright, you ready? Set, go.
I can't drink all this. This guy, he's gonna have me tripping. You guys, Bryson's chugging, chug.
I win.
Okay, yeah, that's good. You won. Because I wasn't chugging.
I was. I was chugging.
Lie down.
Huh?
Lie down. We want to chug on mine and his. This is mine. Mine's got more, less than yours.
Nah, mine has less than yours. Look.
You have more than me.
Mine is less. You have a lot more than me. So I win.
Everything's recorded, so.
Guys, wait. So see all these boats back there? Mommy, see all those boats back there? They was all in the ocean. But see all those white things? That's all the boats. Well, not all of them. There's a couple more out there. And then I can see a dead bird. And then now a crowd is eating it. Now another bird is eating it. Mommy, here. Here, Mommy. See that bird right there is blue. His face is blue. See it? It's blue. His whole face is blue. Mommy, look. Who has more? Who has more? Daddy, I had a lot of fun on my day off.
His day off. It looks like you have more.
Huh?
Looks like you do.
Who has less?
I do. If you have more, who got less? Doesn't that make obvious sense?
I have less. Look.
Guys.
Yours is up here. Mine is down here.
All right, Bryson.
So look, it has to be right here.
All right. So what are we doing? I'm about to. Hey, you have anything you'd like to say? 'Cause I'm turning this camera off. Here, grab it so you can show the camera. Here.
Guys, come on, follow me, guys. I'm gonna go over here. I'm going down to the beach, guys. We're not going to the car. Gee. But you chose to come out here. No, but you said you wanted to come out and ride. No. Ow! You slapped me.
I'm so sorry.
No. No.
Give me my camera. You see, guys, he's acting crazy right now. Sorry. Yeah, but I just want to go. I cannot do this heat, guys.
Fine. Let's go. Open the door.
We can sit in the AC. You can go play with your friends. You can have friends with you, but it's hot. You guys, we are leaving this beach. Oh, I was not prepared for this heat. Over and out. Spiritually Wealthy fam. Check y'all out. Y'all see y'all little discrepancy, but it's all right. We will see y'all soon. He gonna lock himself inside the... Come on. All right, guys. Why would you lock yourself? Special, you guys see, it's 87 degrees. And Special locks himself inside of the car. Especially in the heat. Like, only a 5-year-old would do some I'm upset stuff.
Stupid like that.
No. Some I'm upset stuff like that. You dig? But it's okay. You guys. We're over and we're okay. Love you. Bye. Tell them bye.
Mommy, you have more. I have less.
Bye.
And plus, my cup is bigger than yours. Over and out.